This Math in Minute video is on simplifying radicals. So what is a radical? It is the root of a number or the inverse of an exponent. And as you can see here, this is the symbol that represents a radical. So let's take a look at the square root of 96. What we're going to do in order to simplify it is create a prime factorization tree. And what that is we factor 96 down to all prime numbers. So at the end of the tree, the nodes of the tree, they should have prime numbers. So we know that 2 times 48 is 96. So we know 2 is a prime number, so we're going to continue breaking down 48. So we know 2 and 24. Again, we're going to break down. This is 2 and 12. Again, break this down, 2 and 6. And then lastly, 2 and 3. So all these nodes at the end of the tree are prime numbers. So after you get all your prime numbers, since we're squaring it, we need pairs of the same number. So we have a pair of 2's here. We have another set of 2's here. And then we don't have any more pairs. The square roots would be paired. So we really have 2 times 2 outside of the radical. And then what would remain in the radical is what is left over. So 2 times 3 is 6. So simplifying the square root of 96 would yield 4, because we multiply those 2 times 2 together, square root 6. So this would be our answer. How about this one? Here we have the cube root of a number. Again, we can utilize the prime factorization tree, but this time we need to have a group of 3 of the same numbers. So if we were to break this number down, we can say 25 times 5, and then we know 25 is not a prime number, but we can break that down to 5 times 5. So at the end of each of these nodes, we have prime numbers. And again, we need 3 of the same. So in this case, we do have 3. So this would equal 5. Our answer would be 5 because the cube root of 125 is 5. So some common perfect numbers to memorize relative to radicals would be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. This will allow you to quickly solve problems so for example, we had the square root of 96. If we knew the factors of that were 16 and 6, we could easily factor the square root of 16 to be 4 outside of the radical and then keep 6 inside. So it is good to kind of memorize some of those perfect squares to help quickly solve some of the radical problems. Any math topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time.